Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Basics for those who don't know. Good luck with the next game. You got 15X on the top slot? What was that, Riri? How long ago? What was the multiplier? Please, host, we're begging you. I'm begging you. Hey, it paid off, guys. Number one, life-changing. Here's Lightning Storm. Let's go to the roof. Here we are, guys, on the peak, on the top of the building, guys. Let's go. Multiplier time. But of course, before decision time, you gotta choose your destiny, guys. Choose one of the three available strike positions. So let's go. We're gonna find out where the lightning is gonna strike the hardest. Come on. Strike one, going for. Epic, guys, biggest of the session, 400X. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. The top one. Unbelievable. Highlight of the day. 35X on that second. Third strike remaining, guys. How about this one? And this one's going to be 80. Solid. And strike one for 400. Let's go. All right, 642 winners, guys.
Guys, thank you. A hat trick of leaves. Congratulations. Yeah, we haven't had a single 7, Curly. Not once, I would remember. But here we are. Bets are welcome. We continue. I did AMVs with J-Rock. Like what? Naruto versus Gaara? Gaara versus Lee? Dragon Ball Z? Welcome, newcomers. Final bets. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Wow, that's like early YouTube days. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Versus Kimimaro. Oof, core memory unlocked. 7x2. Oh man, those were the good old days, huh? This is 7! Curly! That's a hit on Lightning Storm 7. Wow. Okay, guys, see you up there. Swagga Jagga, guys. Curly, this is the one. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, first Lightning Storm together. First, second, or third strike. You have to choose one, or one will be assigned to you. Now, in the early goings, I see 40% on the third one, 37 and climbing on the second. First team, I'm with you guys. You're underpicked. You're 22% of all participants. Let's see what happens. 17X. Okay, not too shabby. Sure. Second strike, what do you have? Oh, okay. Global multiplier, 2X. Double the trouble. Juicy numbers in front of us. What do we have? 60. Okay. Here you are. Rock me like a J-Rock. 13. Whoa, what the 500X is that? Whoa!
What about you? How do you feel? I don't speak Canada, sorry, Obito. Oh, wait, guys, wait, we got it, I guess. We got it, I guess. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That's a 12. Got struck with Monster Mash. It's time to go and meet Virat Kohli, I guess. Do we have any Virat Kohli fans online? I may say you Cape Town. No, I'm not from Cape Town, man. Nah. Okay, guys, I'll get back to you after this bonus round. And welcome, everybody. Welcome to the Monster Mash, the 10X Digimonty, guys. So what you guys expecting? I would love to see 300. This 200 plus. Let's see, that's what we're gonna get. 100 plus would be nice as well. Please give me 100 plus. That's a 10. No, wait, how it's possible? 200. 210, 220, guys. I will take it, man. I will take it. Congrats to everybody. That's a nice one. I would have come flying. You guys got 200 2 times in 3 rounds. 1088 for the top 3. Emea, Entwist, and the Lucky Man, and good at two rest replies. Once again, players, thank you for joining, guys. It's not 18. MZK. I think MZK is from Bihar, guys. Yeah? Fireball, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Come on, Forex, we need this. Hey, yeah, there you go. Woo, that was a close one. That was a very, very close one. But Monster Mash is back. This time with Forex on top. Love what I'm seeing here. Love what I'm seeing here. All right, Monster Mash. Now it's all up to you, my friends. So, what kind of monster can we create? First of all, let's do the 4X thing on top, and then the same old story. Just gotta pull this little lever here, and we're gonna start our experiments together. All right, come on, baby. Give us something. Woo, 4060. That's 56 already from 4X. That's great. Come on. Yes. Absolutely, yes. That's the one that we want to see. 5X and the global multiplier. That's a 280X on a 4X on top of Monster Mash. Come on, guys. You gotta love it. We're gonna get back to the wheel real fast. And 1,071 winners. Jordan Lucky, 5,358 euros. Not more pair, guys. Come on. You gotta look. Be good. Lots of family gathering. Back to work. Good. Oh, I'm like so happy as well that we bought like tickets already to Thailand. Crazy. Nowadays, checking everything now on there in Phuket. I have a question actually to you, ABC, about like Thailand. 16 10X to the flat battery charge actually we have there. Ladies and gentlemen, 10X multiplier number 16 we got here. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Double straight away, 40X. It's a 400X to the flat. There is on the top, we have 2 300Xs, guys. Let's go to buddy. Hey, we missed that double anyway. We need a red. Red now, please. Yeah, this is red. 400X is a max win. Come on. Let's go. 400s. I will take it for sure, guys. 1,001 winner. Easy, guys. Sports, Spark, Rough, and Bigger Plus Beast. Congratulations. 400X for the plan. Easy win, guys. X-Chase was in the studio. 10X for the bat.
Oh, well, we gotta leave. No. 121 is the payout. Congratulations, Joy. Perfect and comparison. You've been in time. What's the ball game called? You mean Fireball? Fireball, that game? Ball game. That's the best. Oh yeah, I mean, I like Fireball the most, dude. Like, it's at least the most fun. They're pretty nice and high multipliers. 5X on Fireball. Please, let's get more Fireballs or Lightning Storm. Wait, 17. Please be 17. It will be close, yo! 5x Fireball! Number 17. We did it! Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Finally, something for all the X chasers. Nice. Hey, all the multis multiplied by 5. Look at all those spreads. 2500X will be the max multi. Come on! Please! I'm not sure what it is, but it's right next. 625X right next to 2500 as well. But 625 is beautiful! Let's go, guys! 743 winners we got. Congratulations, betting time. Big Cheese, Logan, and Sparky are the top winners, but right next to 250, you know? So,
Ellie between 13 and 14. Thanks for playing. Congratulations to all the winners. Very well done. 490 winners in total. Let's continue. Those who want to play, let's play. Lightning Storm asking, where is pretty girl from Alina? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Last Facebook. Okay. Jerry saying, LOL, dinner for wife? No, for myself. Segment 2 Fireball with a 5x top slot. Really, bro? Really, Jerry? Really? Really, 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 really? Welcome. Ciao. Times 5, so 2500X max catch. Here we go. Good luck. Boom. Very cool. Bounce, 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 bounce. We got the corner ball. What was in a corner? That's a mystery. 250. I mean, okay. Okay, cool. 250X is still 250X. Congratulations to all the winners. Back to the wheel.
That is cute. I wish you guys good luck. Leaf wins now. 1-to-1 payout. Congratulations. 6 leaves in the last 10 games. And right now we have 449 winners. Sam, 314 euro top win. Betting time. I have too much energy, really. I'm just warming up. No need to charge. Oh, a few more seconds. Yeah, makes sense. I am the highest battery. No more bits. Thank you. Caddy said it's been 3 years and we adopted a dog. Better close. Good luck. I'm sure he's the one. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Yeah, I mean 3 years is a pretty long time. 2x Fireball, 4x battery charger, 5x Hotspot. So very, very happy for you, Caddy. And 6 Fireball with a 2x, everybody. Stunning. Welcome to the Fireball bonus round. Another wheel multiplier strikes, which is always a good time. Welcome. Highest multiplier by default is 500x. Gets doubled, goes up to 1000x, and let's hope to get it. Good luck, everybody. Woo! Okay. Oh, I thought it's gonna stop on the gold, but it pushed through. Thank you, ball. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, 250x. Woohoo! Thank you so much for playing. Third Fireball in last 10 games. We only had a 2x wheel multiplier. Bing bong. try to guess the result of the new spin. You can either bet on leaf, which pays 1 to 1, or number.
Let's go, everyone. 7X to number 8. We got it here, guys. It's a hot spot. 5X Monster Mash number 11. Ooh la la. Let's go, everybody. How about that? It's about to be good. It's about to be big, guys. 5X and 11.
It's the Monster Mash.
Yeah, right. Monster Mash 5 times in the fly, guys.
The Monster Mash.
5X is pretty good.
Graveyard Smash.
Let's have us some big hits. Let's go, everybody, guys. 4X legs. Look at that, guys. 250, but it's a 4X to the flat. 25X. It's 1,000. It's 100. 1,100X multiplier Monster Mash. We got it here, guys. It was only 5X to the flat. Any questions? Let's go! John is here. 140K for you, my friends. Sparky, GG, Carla.
Leg days, man. Lightning Storm is on number 9. What's the wheel cooking there? 20X. Monster Mash, number 20. Number 20. That's a Monster Mash. How's the wheel speed looking? Okay, can we actually... Yo! Guys! Somebody with the 20X! Ladies and gentlemen! Let's go! Man, we got to hear this tune in this session now. Let's multiply all of it by 20X. Literally shaking. All right, guys, good luck. What do we got here, man? Please. 400 for legs, 60 for the body. The head. 1000X for the head. That's 1460X. He's a genius, guys. Enjoy the wins. 1175 winners. Yo. How's that now, guys? Lolo with the top, please. One more red.
Yes, okay, either 50 or 75. Alright, congratulations, guys. Like, you know, we get the top. 75X. Good job. Bravissimo. Standing ovation from me. 75X. Well done. Let's see how many you won. 1,180 sound of you won. In the top we have 363, Geldim and Joe. That's on. Now's the Leaf Show. Well, if you really believe your words, you know what to place your bets on. Like it, man? I think you like the outcomes. Although we did have a lot of leaves just now. Good luck. First bet, nice start. Yeah, ooh, 25X on Hotspot, 10X on Hotspot, 4X on Monster Mash. I don't think we have enough juice to get to that segment number 15. Although, I might be wrong. Please. Oh. Yes! Bro, I doubted it, and I was wrong. Segment number 15. Hotspot with 25X. Let's go. Wow. Woo. Oh, man. Ladies and gentlemen, everything's going to be multiplied by 25X. Highest possible is 2,500X. Ooh, let's get connect the wires. Goosebumps. Goosebumps. Woo. Let's go. Very, very tough choice, right? Where is it? It's harder than usual. You know, it's very hard to decide. 2,500X. Where is it hiding? Let's see. We start from the top, so it looks like we're the bottom right area. 175s, 250s, 375s, 500s, thousands. 1,250X, 2,500X. Right there, we got to multiply 9,000.
by 2. Let's see which tiles will multiply. Come on. Some lower ones, so you get, instead of 7,550 in that area, some 350s as well. Awesome to see that. Congratulations. I hope that a lot of you got that hotspot. I'll tell you how many players got it. 36 players got 2.5 thousand times their bet. 54 players, 1.2 thousand.
A win is a win, a win is a win. Yahoo! 40x. All right, guys, thank you. Action is coming. Thank you for the session. It was fun. Thanks for the chance. Hope you snatched the big one. And Curly, especially you on that 7. I like your crusade, your patience, your concentration on that number, even though you betrayed it for a 3. But still, this is a leaf. Ready for a really, really good time. It's Jack. Guys, peace on the streets. You're in good hands. We got big multis today. See ya. Cheers.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jacques. I'll be your host for this one until we have MT, Samia, and Gelden. Awesome. See ya. Let's go. See ya. Let's go. Let's go. It's OMG. 2 favorite hosts back to back. Let's go. Good luck. Well, thank you for the compliment. Appreciate it. Hi, Jacques. Hello. Hello, Zozo. Hello, Poppy. 7x on Lightning Storm, 5x on Fireball, 3x on Hotspot, 2x on Battery Charger. Did you get anything big? My colleagues? Excuse me. Well, you gotta bless up the 7. Bless up the 7. With what? With holy water? 750. Lightning Storm. What? 7x? Wow. Okay. Good start. Yeah, there we go. Follow me. Well. First spinning already. We got a full family pot, right? X chasers, lightning storm chasers, the normal betters. I mean, I'm not saying that X chasers, lightning storm chasers are not normal. You know what I mean? Everything's 7 times better. You gotta choose now. 2.8 thousand X is the highest there. Obviously, you can get a combo that makes it more than that. Oh boy. I hope it'll be something delicious. Lightning strike number 1, let's see what you'll get. Around 18% of the players chose this one. There is a multi on the multi, times 2 for everything. Highest 5.6K. Obviously, you can get more than that, but that's the highest single multi that you could get. There we go. Come on, big dollar bills. That is 1,120X for Lightning Strike number 1. 1,120X for 18% of the players. Now, Lightning Strike number 2, let's see what you'll get. I hope 4 digits as well. Nah, that's 280 for you guys. Lightning Strike number 2 get 280X. I have a feeling that Lightning Strike number 1 will be the biggest one, but I hope I'm wrong. I want to see more bigger ones. Lightning Strike number 3, no mold is for them. Let's find out what you'll get. That is 245X. So Lightning Strike number 1, 18 or 19% got 1,120X. Nice catch.
I had an amazing day. Not really, but I don't know why I'm feeling so good. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just happy to see it. That's still leave between 17 and 18. Congratulations. No, really, I have nothing amazing in this day. I'm just like, congratulations, 26. Mamba, Marisol, here, complimentary. Congratulations, all the warriors. Batting time, all yours. Feel free to place your bets, newcomers. Welcome to Lightning Storm. Let's go! Some bonus, boy! I'm your Venus, I'm your fire, your desire. Dami un grrr, un qué? Un grrr, un qué? Let's get multis on a board. 15X in a Lightning Storm, 3X in a Hotspot, 2X in a Battery Charge. Lightning Storm! Lightning Storm! Lightning Storm! Lightning Storm! Go to Storm! Go to Storm! Go to Storm! A beat! A beat! A beat! That's the Lightning Storm with 15X in a wheel! Segment 5! Here we go! Follow me! got all segments there. Boom, boom, 6000X highest. Decision time, choose a strike. First, second, or third one gonna bring to your luck. Majority in a second one. Here we go! Time for the first strike. $525 in the first strike. Time for the second one. $675 in the second one, and time for the last third strike. $1,200 in the third strike. Boom! Congratulations! Woo! Congratulations! Compliments go to player about 10 and happy. Boom! Batting time. Out to play option. X chaser, storm chaser. Did I scream too much? I'm sorry. 5x segment 8 for hotspot and 2x segment 80 for hotspot. But I'm not the singer. I'm sorry. But I'm disappointing you. I'm actually not the singer though. Come on, please. Woo! Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, that's wow. Lightning storm with 7x.
Lightning storm.
Hey, oh! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now decision time. You need to choose one of the lightning strikes. The first, second, and third one. Right now, we see that second one is the most popular one. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, 280X for the first lightning strike. Let's see what's for the second. 280X also for the second lightning strike. Come on! Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, 1750X for the third lightning strike. Hey, congratulations and God bless everyone. Come on. We have 1,050 winners in the look. Congratulations! We got 1,750X, guys.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.